Listen to nature. Listen. See how they communicate? Why can't we be like that, Israel, Jacob? Brothers and sisters. There's no unity in the community. Stay focused. No matter what you're going through, stay focused. Stay in the word every day. Speak the word over your life. Not just one day or times of trouble, every day. Praise the Creator that made the heavens and earth, the animals and the insects. Listen. Serve the one that made everything. We're not here coincidentally. We here for a reason, not a season. We're not worthless. We here on purpose. Stay away from negativity. You overcome evil by doing good. Resist the enemy and he will flee. Fear the one that'll destroy the body and throw the soul into hell. You gotta keep going no matter what you're going through. Keep believing, keep faith, keep going. You hear that? Why can't we be together like that? One accord. Selfish. Pray for one another. Help one another. Don't forget you was once lost or without. Listen. Sound like music. No matter what you're going through, don't give up on the Heavenly Father. He never gave up on you. It's difficult. It's a lot going on. Money don't make you. Material don't make you. You already made. Believe. Have faith. Faith come by hearing, hearing the word. They don't got calm. They was talking. You gotta believe. You gotta believe. You can do it. Man, woman, boy, girl. You can do it. You're more than a conqueror. More than a conqueror. Greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. You can do all things through YAHUSHUA, Jesus Christ of Nazareth, who strengthens you. Get rid of the doubt. Get rid of the fear. He is with you. He is with you. He is with you.